This beef melts. Heat a splash of oil in a big pot over high heat. When it's hot, add the beef cut into big cubes. Sear the beef over high heat. The beef is already seasoned with salt and pepper. After 3 minutes, flip the beef to sear the other side. And let this side brown as well. Just let it cook a bit more. Don't move it too much. That's how you get this golden crust. After another 3 minutes, remove the beef from the pot. In the same oil, add 1 chopped onion. Add 3 chopped garlic cloves as well. Then add a pinch of salt and let it cook for 5 minutes over medium heat. You'll find all the exact amounts in the comment box. Once the onion and garlic mixture softens, add 1 tablespoon of flour. Stir and toast it for 1 minute. The flour is what makes the stew thick and rich. Now, add 1 cup of red wine. Add 1 tablespoon of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of paprika, 1 teaspoon of rosemary, and 1 teaspoon of thyme. Stir and let the wine simmer so the alcohol evaporates. If you prefer no wine, add broth or a splash of balsamic vinegar, and it'll still turn out just as delicious. Now, return the beef to the pot. Pour in enough broth to cover all the beef. You can use beef broth or vegetable broth, whatever you prefer. Add 1 bay leaf and a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce. Stir to bring everything together. Now the stew just needs time to get tender and rich. Cover the pot and let it cook for 1 hour on low heat. This slow simmer is what transforms everything into real comfort food. While this cooks, I'd love to know, where are you watching from? Our community grows every day because of you. If you're enjoying this recipe, don't forget to like and subscribe. There are many more recipes coming your way. After 1 hour, our stew is almost ready. Add the potatoes cut into cubes. Add 3 carrots and 2 celery stalks, diced as well. Stir briefly and let everything cook for another 30 minutes on low heat. And our beef stew is ready. So good.